Speak on it. Reppin' KC till I die. We been to town. You know Westport to 18 and fine. It's going down. We support the town. We don't hate. That's not allowed. We just on the come up like the next man on the come up. Two hoes. Mr. Fisher kicking back with FEDDY, Reggie. Whenever they show up on the scene, you know they ready. Ed in the background. You don't really see his face. He the man with the plan on the move every day. If you got something to say, come speak on it. Come speak on it. Happy little thing. We be on it. If you ain't heard of us, get up on it, get up on it. We do our promotion, come be on it, come be on it. If you got something to say, come speak on it, come speak on it. Happy little thing, we be on it, we be on it. If you ain't heard of us, get up on it, get up on it. We do our promotion, come be on it, come be on it.
What's good, everybody? Welcome to Speak On It. I'm your host, Steve.
And I'm that funny motherfucker, FEDDY Reggie.
And today we gonna talk about... Is that Reggie, dude? Alright, and today we're gonna talk about I Got the Hook Up Too. Make him say, Me personally, I enjoyed the movie. It was funny. It did have some slow moments, but for the most part, it was funny. I did get some laughs in.
It's a long ass motherfucking movie. I'm about to say you got something to say. Yeah.
It was a long ass motherfucking movie. It was
movie.
like the movie seemed like a lot of IG skits. The storyline was. All right.
It was there. It was there, man. You know what? I don't know what's wrong with these retarded ass kids out here, but there was a fucking plot to the movie. It had a whole storyline. It had a whole storyline, man.
It did.
What was the movie about?
It was basically back on them getting on their grind and finding the phones again. You know, fucking with the phones. They could have. That's the part they could have kind of switched up. They could at least hustle something else.
Why though? It made sense to add it in. But the story went into, Romeo being a cop, you know what I'm saying? That was another, part to it. Yeah. And what was we trying to do? We were trying to solve the case.
The other son was he did the app thing.
Right.
He was the smart one. And
I don't know why motherfucking retarded ass motherfuckers act like it just didn't have no storyline. You gotta follow it, and it did jump around a lot.
It did jump around a lot.
But damn, it was a decent movie.
That's what bring back to like the IGC. It was like we was watching the movies and then this little skit parts just like the advertisement of the movie.
Did you watch it more than once?
It only took me one time to watch it. I will watch it.
That's interesting because I watched it and I was like, people went so fucking hard on it. So when I finally sat down and watched it,
people were
I was being biased like a motherfucker. So I'm sitting there like, I fed into the bullshit. But actually, I watched it again. I was like.
And first of all, I gotta eat my words because I originally said I wasn't gonna watch the movie because of the people that was in it. I didn't give it a chance. But after everybody was just talking so bad about it, I thought to myself, I was like, well, let me not be such an old nigga and watch the movie. You know what I'm saying? Like,
yeah.
And I'm gonna come back to that because Court Dog said something about older people watching the movie, and they said they don't get it because they are not in that generation of the comedy that's going on now. Like,
but the older people wasn't the ones complaining about the movie; it was the young people.
From what he said, that's what
interesting.
From what he said, this is what he said.
That's interesting because it's all people our age and younger.
Yeah, he said niggas over 30 was talking bad about the movie, and he said why. Like I said, he said because they don't understand what's going on. But shit, I was like, nigga, I'm over 30 and I like this shit. After I watched it, I had it. I went by somebody. I'm like, damn, the movie can't. I'm like, damn, the whole town talking about it like that.
Everybody.
I'm like, damn, it can't be that bad. So I was like, I said, let me stop being such an old nigga. Let me go ahead and watch the movie.
I will say,
let me go ahead and watch it. And then I liked it. And I laughed. I'm like, if you did not laugh watching this movie, you just a boozy person. Because I know at least one scene made your ass laugh.
Right, you sit there the whole movie, the long 2 hour movie and just sit there with the ice grill face.
Right.
You a goofy.
You're goofy. And because they give you
hella moments.
And then they brought not only them, they brought back the older characters, the original characters. Yeah, they brought back original characters, and then they threw in some other niggas like Michael Blackson's scene. His shit was funny as fuck to me.
Man.
You know what I'm saying?
He does what he does.
He does what he does. You saw Pops in there again. He was Mr. Ship. He was back up in there doing it again.
No, that was shot.
Yeah. I mean,
like, nigga, where the fuck is Betty? My bad.
Right, but brought back the sisters.
Yep.
The Ghetto Twins brought them back.
Came back.
Came back.
Dr. Wu, was that his name?
Yeah, Dr. Wu or some shit. But they gave you original characters for you to laugh on too. And like you said, like Reggie said, you was just a fucking goofy if you did not laugh watching this movie.
At some point. That was too damn long to sit there. You might as well cut it off.
Yeah, might as well.
First time I cut it off, I'm like, damn man, this is stupid. I'm like, damn, this is everything they talking about. But I was looking at it through the lens of where they was looking at it at, man. I'm like, damn, you can't follow along. What's wrong with you?
Right. Oh no. So what more do you feel about it? Would you watch it again? I would too. I'll watch it again. Just in case I missed something before.
I'll watch it again. It's different than the first one, but it's
of
not
course.
a bad movie.
Everything ain't gonna beat the original. So.
My thing is, I don't like how P moved as far as that shit with him and Tyler Perry. Did you pay attention to that? Did y'all follow that? Did you catch that, Ed? No. So when he was out on his marketing campaign, his marketing trail, he kept putting emphasis on how Tyler Perry didn't do this and Tyler Perry didn't do that. So I'm like, damn. Like, how the fuck? Like, nigga, you's a self-made millionaire, bro. You got your own money, and you mad at Tyler Perry. I would think that you have more money than Tyler Perry.
I'm pretty sure you did, nigga. You do, nigga.
Right.
You got.
So don't be that nigga that don't want to invest in yourself. Don't be that nigga that don't want to invest in yourself, and don't be mad because the next nigga don't want to jump on board.
And don't live and still get money to this day.
Man, I'm just saying though, so the nigga on like all of these podcasts and radio shows he went on and shit, he's like, oh yeah, man, that nigga Tyler, man, I reached out to him and he didn't. I didn't like the way he didn't, fuck with the movement. I'm like, fuck with the movement, my nigga, how many times have you done something for him? How many times have you reached out to him? And he's talking about, they both from New Orleans and shit like that. I'm like, yeah, that's cool too, but. My nigga, ain't nobody obligated to fuck with your movement or push your shit.
Yeah,
nobody's obligated to that. Nobody's obligated to follow our podcast and support what we doing. Right. We would hope that they do. We trying to present ourselves in a position and put out content that will make them want to. But that rubbed me the wrong way, bro. Because you's a self-made millionaire, bro. Yeah. So why even speak on that man's name, bro? Why even bring him up for clickbait? Something to talk about, other than the movie, because your movie was lacking content, motherfucker.
Something must have happened between them. Private conversation, maybe. Well, I didn't know that.
Man, it's bogus. Tap in, check into it, man. Y'all will see it, man. As soon as you, every fucking interview the nigga doing, he talk about it. Yeah. Every interview he doing, he talking about it. I'm like, man, let it go.
Oh, man, like that? Mm-hmm. I thought the nurse people ever do no shit like that.
Man. But shit, that's cool. That, it was cool, man.
Other than that, I love the movie.
It was a cool movie, man. That was sour.
That's pretty sour.
Big Court Dog, you did your thing. Did y'all see him and Tiny about to do some shit, bro? Yeah. That's gonna be dope.
Yeah.
Tap in to what the big homie Big Court Dog is doing with Tiny.
Yeah, that shit gonna be dope too. Gave my opportunity.
Man.
Yeah. That's also why I told him this shit too. I was just happy to see somebody from the town in that motherfucker too.
Already, man.
Shit,
Court Dog did his thing, man.
Doing this thing.
Can't wait for the No Limit series. Y'all keep your eyes out. Keep tapped in for the No Limit series. It's coming y'all's way.
Yeah. With that being said, we're gonna go ahead and wrap up this segment about I Got the Hook Up Too. I'm Steve.
And I'm your boy FEDDY REGGIE.
You already know what to do. Check us out on Blue Line Studios. Make sure to follow us, subscribe. We always looking for promoters, rappers. Fuck it, we looking for actors, writers too. People that want to do skits or people that still want to be in the movie.
Trying to fuck with this media game. Need a commercial, some advertisement.
Yeah.
Tap in.
Tap
the fuck.
Y'all know where to find us.
We be on it. You ain't heard of us. Get up on it. We do what promotion? Be on it.